The one thing that I like about drawing is the colors, right? They're all vibrant, they're there, but what if I could only use 3 of those colors? Would it still be that awesome? Well, let's find out. Greetings, salutations, in other words, hello and welcome to Mykality. I'm Elijah, and today we're going to be drawing an entire piece, using only 3 colors. Now, usually in my pieces, I only, the minimum of colors that I use is 50. So this is going to be a real challenge for me, so stop talking. Let's just get into this program and start this, okay? Okay, so we're in this program now. This is gonna be it. So this is actually sketchbook, this Autodesk sketchbook, and just showing this to you. It's actually really awesome. It's free, so if you want to start drawing, this is a great thing to start with. But the thing that I like a lot about this is it has this Copic feature thing. It has a full Copic library, so you have set determined colors. So if you've ever used Copic before, you can use this because I know the color schemes of Copic and it works really nice. So I'm going to figure out what colors I really want to do first. So I'm trying to think about what I want to draw. Shoot, I think we need some distinct colors like this green grass or this puke. I mean, it'd be nice, right? I think I'm going to draw a character like I love to do, but I don't want those stereotypical colors for this one. Okay, so I decided I'm just going to pick some random colors from a couple of these sections and work them in. So let's use this one. Let's use this one. And then let's use this one. Okay, so these are really distinct colors. These are the 3 colors I'm going to be using. I don't really see how they work together very well, but I'm going to sketch out something that I could use these with, and I'll see you guys back when I do that. Okay. Okay, so this is kind of what I came up with. I don't really know what this guy's deal is. This is, oh goodness. So yeah, so I have no words. I'm going to make, so I have 3 different colors to make this guy's skin. Blue, red, and green. Honestly, none of them are great, but the best one I think is going to be this blue color. And then red and green, I've got to figure out how to put those in there, but I was thinking, like I usually don't, I was thinking maybe green for his clothes. No, red for his clothes, for contrasting the blue. And then I was thinking maybe green for his hair. Help me. Well, anyway, let's get back to this and we'll figure that out as we go. Even I didn't know I could make something so beautiful. Makes me proud. Well, getting aside that, this is basically my sketch. This is how it's probably just gonna look. But the last thing that we need to do is final art. Final line work, and we'll see how beautiful the lines are. And then let's color the main point of this video. Coloring. Goodness, what do I do by myself? Beautiful. Let's get rid of this crap. Okay, so the line work is more or less done. Beautiful. So let's go on and color. My goodness, this is rough. Okay, so finishing the blue, I immediately see some problems. So originally these were going to be sunglasses, so I don't really know how that's going to work out now, unless I want to make them like red, maybe. Well, I'm just going to get to the other colors and let's hope that this all somehow works out. Honestly, this itself doesn't look too bad. I mean, it could be better, but what else are we going to do with 3 random colors? Okay, so let's get in the green. I think it's going to look great. Great. I don't know how else it'd look, but man, am I good at art. Do we wish I had more skills? No, because I got all the skills. I've created a monster. I've created a monster. I don't think there's any way to save this. Oh, I know what to do. Let's I'm sorry guys, I don't know if this is cheating, but the lines, I could... First, we can't forget his sunglasses. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. He's just like an angel. I don't know how much better this guy can get. I swear guys, this isn't cheating. I swear. So beautiful. It's so beautiful. How can we be so blessed with something this beautiful? My friends, this is just art. This is nothing but just art. There you have it. We need to give him a name, friends. This is a creature that we have never seen before. This is a creature that just wants to be our friend. You know, this is the epitome of cool. I don't know how you can get more cool than this. Friends, Gary. Yes, Gary. You proved to everyone that we can be what we want to be. We can. We can. That's right. That's right, Gary. That's right, Gary. Well, there you have it. An incredible journey. Struggles, challenges, love, hope, and most of all, Gary. Well, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see all you guys in the next video. See ya.